Welcome back to another class in the CorelDRAW tutorial for beginners. In this lesson, we're going to look at the blend effect. Now, let's try and create something like this. And this might come up when you're trying to create maybe birthday design, holiday designs. It's not that often that you'll use the blend effect, but it's good that you know how to apply it correctly. So I'm going to start off by creating a rectangle. So let's draw a rectangle over here. And then we'll create an ellipsis somewhere around here. So let's add a color to this. Let's use different colors. Push it back. That seems okay. So with this selected, I'm going to come over here to the blend tool. Now, it's over here. So if I click and hold, you can see it's under the shadow and control effect. So let's select the blend effect, then you just click from one point to the other and then you release it, and then you've created this really cool effect. Now, as any tool in CorelDRAW, this will also come with some of its properties as well as some presets. Now, from over here you can choose the number of steps you want your blending to be in. So you can increase the number of steps, you can reduce them. Then you can change the angle at which your blending is at. So if you highlight over here, you can see you can change the blend direction. So if we just continue like that, you can see the change that's happening around here. Then you have other effects over here. Let's look at this one. So this one is known as the loop blend, and if you click on it, it creates this loop effect. So what I want from you is to go through the other effects that you over here and practice it. And then lastly, you have the clear blend command, and if I click on that, it will just do as it says. It will clear the blend. So Control Z, let's undo that. So go ahead and try out this effect tree over here, see what they'll do, and try working with other shapes and objects in CorelDRAW.